Hello, everybody. This is me with this review. Um, with I believe this is it's called Best Online Traffic. It's gonna be launching on the October the 30th. And the reason I'm here is because I really um, I tend to see a lot of people struggle with traffic, and so what this in a nutshell is basically going to be how you all about traffic, and so it's going to teach you about traffic itself. So now this is courses for people who, if you're struggling with traffic, if you and I can relate to this actually because I will make like a squeeze page or a website or something, but I never get traffic. And there's just two types of traffic. There's one paid and free traffic. So this will primarily focus on free traffic, but they'll touch base on paid traffic. But anyway, so let's go into the sales page. It says, finally, here's how to build a wildly successful online brand and get automated profits with just 30 minutes a day. Um, Probably, yeah. Earn commissions and set up fast, keep your sanity. And so, in the schools, as you can see, it's called Best Online Traffic. I'm not gonna go too much into the page simply um because you can go and get access to the page. Let's go and get see it for yourself in the link below in the description. But anyway, I'm going to show you into the members area. So when you come into the members area, you're going to see you know the webinar. So as you can see, so we'll be holding live campaign, set up a webinar where you're going to show how you can set up money making campaigns live. This is pure content webinar, which I've never done before, which the creator of this um, course. And so basically you have to register for the webinar, and the link is right there, you can see. Anyways, so when you come here, the first section is going to there's two sections. There's the best online traffic and tactical backlink methods. Now before I get into too much into what's the about the course, I want to show you the bonuses. And these bonuses are custom made. Nobody has them because I'm the one who created them. And so as you can see, the bonuses you'll get will be number one will be find high at the expired web 2.0s. So if you want to for this good for if you have a video or something, expired web 2.0s will give you the backlinks and be able to rank videos on YouTube. So especially good for doing like a review videos like what I'm doing right now, or any other let's say you want to do you have like a video and you want to rank it, promote an affiliate offer, you can do that. So bonus number two will be social media mastermind, money. This will show you how you can build your social media to get traffic to your website, to squeeze page, and also and it consists of all the social media platforms. And so this is like the ultimate the mastermind course. It's going to show you everything that you need to do. So then point number three is internet traffic mastered. This course will teach you get into the paid and free traffic methods, and give you and get you understand better of traffic. So this is very congruent to the offer because we're talking about traffic. Bonus number four is how to set up a affiliate campaign from scratch. This can get you, will show you how you can use the traffic, the methods, and showing you the bonus and also on the course and how you can create affiliate campaigns and make money out of an autopilot and you know so that's a way you can do affiliate marketing by doing review videos of the core products. And so bonus number 5 is the ultimate email marketing course, and this will teach you how you can set up a squeeze page and how you can copywriting and all that stuff. And the reason is because once you start getting traffic, you just start building an email list, because an email list is a very important um, you know a very important asset to have in your business if you want to get into the internet marketing. And so bonus number 6, it will be the vendor bonuses, which you will get inside the members area. You may see a lot of people promoting this offer by using the vendor bonuses, but I got you covered. So you'll get the vendor bonuses, but you also get my custom made bonuses for this offer. Now let's go into the members area. I'm gonna show you more. When you come here, you're gonna see, okay, you're gonna get access to this course, and so then also going to teach you technical backlinks method. And so like I said, like I showed in the bonuses, backlinks are very important if you want to use YouTube traffic, or and how you can find expired Web 2.0s. And so I got you covered. But this but the thing that teaching inside here is very important. And so that's basically how it is. Um, it talks about branding your own, build your own brand, self-branding. It's very can help a lot. And also you have Pinterest, a bonus. The bonus will be the Pinterest traffic and YouTube traffic, which you can use my bonuses. Like I said, you can use the bonus how to create a affiliate campaign from scratch, and also you can use the Web 2.0's bonuses I provided you with this method. Now let's go down into the bonuses. As you can see, the banner bonuses that he provided you with. And so now this this course, and it may not be like the most fanciest or whatever, but very very helpful information. So now as you can see, this is the whole course in a nutshell. Now if you want to get access to this course, just click the link below, down in the description. You could take me to the bonus page, this page, and then the bonuses will be sent to your once you get a copy of the best online traffic course. Your bonuses will get sent to your Warrior Plus automatically. And so that's my review, and have a good rest of the day.